Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to show you something that I never leave home without, and I always keep it on my bike. All right, so for those of us who have bikes that have tubeless tires, I never leave home without a tire plug kit. I know maybe some of you have seen it on Amazon. I'm not sponsored, but this is about 5 inches long, about 1 inch in diameter, and it fits anywhere. This even fits in your pocket, but I keep it on the bag on my bike because I never want to leave home without it. So this screws apart, and everything you need for your flat tire, except for if you have like a nail in your tire or some object that's causing the flat, you're going to need some type of pliers to pull it out. And I have one in my bag. Everything that you need in the tire plug kit is right in here. I hope that's in focus. The reamer, and here's a tool to stick the tire plugs in the tire. And here are the tire plugs. This has grooves in it. This also has a groove in the handle. So we're going to take these grooves, mash it up with the grooves in the handle. All right, screw those together, and now you have a T-handle. One thing I don't like about those traditional tire plug kits is they come with, handles like a screwdriver. And as you're trying to ream the hole out or push a tire plug in, your hand will tend to slip on this. That won't happen with a T-handle. And then when you're all done, everything just fits inside itself. Put it back in your pocket, put it back in wherever you're keeping it on your bike.